What's up, you guys? Welcome to my channel, or welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hi, I'm Lauren. So in today's video, I'm going to be doing a Glossier makeup and skincare haul. I'm going to be showing you my first impressions of the skincare items after I do my haul. I'm also planning on doing a video of my impressions of using Glossier skincare for like a month, so stay tuned and make sure you're subscribed so you don't miss that. That will be coming in the future. I also wanted to point out that Glossier actually donated $500,000 across organizations focused on combating racial injustice, so the Black Lives Matter movement, NAACP Legal Defense and Educational Fund, the Equal Justice Initiative, the Marsha P. Johnson Institute, and We the Protesters. And then they also donated $500,000 in the form of grants to Black-owned beauty businesses. I thought that was awesome that Glossier is donating so much money. And I'm very happy that I did not already waste my money on a brand that does not support the Black Lives Matter movement, and I just wanted to throw that in before we get into the haul. So if you're interested in seeing what I got in my Glossier haul, just keep on watching. So I got a bag and this thing. This is what the solution came in. I will tell you what I got as I'm going through it. But Glossier puts all their stuff in these cute pink pouches. You can actually choose when you're ordering if you don't want the pouches and the stickers and all that extra stuff. But I chose to get it because I think these just come in handy. I guess we can start with the makeup stuff I got. So first I got 2 samples of their cloud paint, which these are my new favorite makeup products probably ever. It's like a liquid blush and it just blends really easily onto the cheeks. So I got these in the color Dawn and Dusk. Dawn is a more corally orange color and Dusk is a more brown toned color, I guess. These look really pretty. I haven't tried these yet since they're just samples, but now I have 4 different kinds of Glossier cloud blushes, so maybe I'll make a video on those in the future. Then I got a full-sized cloud paint in the color Storm. I will put a card up here in the corner, I think, for my Glossier haul that I did, I think it was like 4 or 5 months ago. I got a lot of makeup back then, so I'll go ahead and put that in a card up here. The container looks really small, but you barely need any when you're using it. So a little bit goes a long way. This is the perfect natural blush if you're looking for that sunburnt look on your face that for some reason is really trendy right now. And if you're going to get one makeup product from Glossier, I would recommend any cloud paint. I also got one of their balm.coms, which is a universal skin salve. So it's basically like a lip balm. And I got it in rose, and their packaging is so cute for these. It comes in just a little tube like this. It smells like rose. So it just leaves your lips a little bit more moisturized, and I guess it adds like a little bit of pink tint to the lips, but it's not like you're putting a color on there. I had one of these in cherry, and the scent and the color is a lot stronger in cherry, but this is definitely just a more natural, everyday, just basic lip balm. And the only makeup products I got in this were the blush, and I guess you could call the balm.com skincare, I don't know. But now we're going to be moving on to the actual skincare products. Glossier also does these bundles to where if you're getting 2 or 3 products, if you buy them in the bundle, it'll like take off a few dollars. So that's what I did for a few of these, I think. I don't know exactly what I got bundled, but just putting that out there. Look through their bundles on their website. They also bundle makeup with skincare, so you can kind of mix things up. But definitely do that if you want to save a few dollars. The first skincare product I got is the Milky Jelly Cleanser. I've seen so many people talk about this and using this, so I just decided I was gonna hop on the bandwagon and try it too. It says it is a conditioning face wash, and I think this is supposed to be able to take some of your makeup off. I usually use either a makeup removing cloth to take my makeup off or micellar water. Is that how you pronounce it? That's typically how I take my makeup off, but I did need a new cleanser because I have a Neutrogena one, but it's breaking me out. The next thing I got is the Glossier Priming Moisturizer. It just comes in this tube, and I think they have a thicker version that's called like the Rich Moisturizer or something, but I just needed a new everyday moisturizer to use before I put on my makeup or just in the morning in general. Next, I got the Glossier Super Bounce. It has hyaluronic acid and vitamin B5 serum. So this comes after the cleanser, but before the moisturizer. Awesome. I don't know the order of skincare, so I'm just kind of relying on what Glossier tells me for the order to do it in. I have these really small samples from Drunk Elephant, but their serums are really expensive. So I just thought I would try this just because my skin is not doing too great. My skin is pretty like textured, and I just want it to look glowy. I want to look like a Glossier girl. Sue me. The next thing I got is the exfoliating skin perfector. So it's got salicylic acid and it's acne treatment, 10% AHA, BHA, PHA. Don't know what that means. It came in this weird container, so I'm just gonna read what it says on it. It says it's for the treatment management of acne. It penetrates pores to reduce acne, and it helps prevent new acne from forming. So I thought this would be more for getting rid of the texture on my skin, but I also do sometimes have acne, so I guess it'll work together. And it says it does have a sunburn warning, just because of the acids. It could increase your chance of getting a sunburn, so wear sunscreen if you're using this product. This is what the actual packaging looks like, and you're supposed to use it with cotton rounds. So the exfoliating skin protector actually came with a little thing that says read me. So I guess I should probably do that. So this says it's good if you have acne, blackheads, uneven tone, uneven texture, dullness, redness, or fine lines. And I have all of those things. Oh, okay, it's got my routine of what I need to do. I need to cleanse, use the solution, then the serum, then my moisturizer, and then sunscreen. I don't know all the scientific stuff, but we're just gonna go for it. So now I'm going to move all of this to my bathroom, and we are going to do our first impressions of my Glossier skincare. I hope I can set this up in a way where I will not break my camera. I've been dropping it a lot recently, knock on wood. I'm just going to put my hair back with this headband that I have no idea where I got it from, and I definitely don't usually use it when I do my skincare, but I'm just gonna do it. I also recently got my hair done. Do you guys like it? First up, Milky Jelly Cleanser. Massage cleanser on dry or damp skin and rinse thoroughly. And we're gonna do damp skin. Should I tie my hair back too? I literally hate doing anything to my hair. Oh, yep, my skin does not feel great. Okay, I think I got way too much. We're just gonna go for it. Okay, I am not a huge fan of the way this feels. Feels a little slimy, you know what I'm saying? Oh, this is all gonna take off my fake tan off my face. Can't freaking wait. I don't think this is exfoliating at all. I think it's literally just a face wash. Okay, we'll wash that off. It didn't foam at all either. Why am I doing this for the internet? No one cares. Like, I promise no one is looking up Lauren Elizabeth's skincare routine. No one's looking up Lauren Elizabeth in general though. Fun fact, there's nothing that I hate worse in the world than washing my face. It is my least favorite thing to do. Also, I'm wearing a business t-shirt for my university, but I'm in the nursing program, so this is not my shirt. So I've patted my face dry because that's what people tell me to do. It's clean. That's good. Okay, now we're gonna do our exfoliating solution, and I have to find some cotton rounds for that. And my camera is sitting on my cotton rounds, so gotta move this. Every apartment I've ever lived in, I think, is haunted. So this one probably is too. We're just gonna ignore that. Okay, once a day after cleansing, press cotton pad on top of dispenser and pump down to saturate. Sweep pad across face. Allow a moment for solution to absorb into skin, and then follow with moisturizer, but I think we're doing the serum before the moisturizer. I can't tell if this is sealed. How do I take you off? How much is too much with this? Oh, yep, smells like acid. Also, this thing kind of smelled, but it didn't smell bad, and it definitely wasn't overwhelming, so just keep that in mind, like if you're super sensitive to scents. I don't know if I'm doing this right. It told me to sweep it across my face, so that's what I'm doing. Oh, my face is stinging a little bit. It took off a little bit of my fake tan, but not much. I don't know if I did enough of this. You know what? I don't want to do too much, so we're just gonna leave it like that. I feel like I coated it fine. My face is a little tingly. Hope it doesn't peel off. So we're gonna let that set before I move on to my serum. This is my face after 2 steps of the Glossier skincare. Now I'm going to be using my Super Bounce. This is supposed to ease and soften tight, rough skin, and I'm going to apply over a clean face and follow with moisturizer. Good thing I already cleaned my face. I've watched other people do these videos and they all say that it makes them feel like a scientist with like doing these little drop things, and I agree, it's kind of fun. Like I never use serums. That's definitely not enough though. I decided to get some skincare items because I realized that I am really not taking care of my skin the way that I should be. And I am already aging. And as a 22-year-old woman, I do not enjoy, what did I just put on my nose? I do not enjoy having forehead wrinkles or fine lines or wrinkles anywhere. Only fine lines I like is Fine Line by Harry Styles. If you haven't listened to that album, it's literally so good. I love Harry Styles. Fun fact, I actually never had wrinkles until I did theater in high school because I was like a character actress. I was kind of funny. I always did like super big expressions with my face, and that's when I noticed that I started getting wrinkles. Because I literally, sorry, I have to finish the story. I literally played a grandma 2 different times when I was in high school, and I played an old mother in a show in college. And when I started doing theater in high school and they had to draw wrinkles on my face, my teacher was like mad at me. She's like, Lauren, you don't have any wrinkles. Like, how am I supposed to follow your natural wrinkles on your forehead when you don't have any? Like, I didn't have any, and now this is what I have. That was my tangent. So sorry, back to the skincare. So I just did my serum, and I have no idea if I used too much or not enough. So I'm gonna let that serum kind of absorb in a little bit, and then we're gonna go in with our priming moisturizer. So I'll be back in a second. And we're back. So now I'm going to be using my Glossier Priming Moisturizer, and it says, after cleansing, massage dollops of the cream into your face using upward strokes, up and out. Apply more where needed to prime skin for makeup and or life. I love that. I don't understand the whole upward strokes thing for the moisturizer, but we're going to do it because Glossier told me to. Okay. It looks like sunscreen. I don't know how much to do. It said dollops. How much is a dollop? I've been using the Tatcha water cream primer, which I actually really like, but I only had it in a sample size because that is expensive. So we'll see how I feel about this. Okay, I think we're done with my skincare. So let's take a look at my face, you know? Let's just be crazy. Why am I blue? My pores are huge. Pretty lucky in the fact that I have like decent skin. I have dry patches, especially like around here on my cheeks and around my nose, but I'm not really oily. I've had a few breakouts lately, but I've just been changing my diet, so that just kind of happens. Right now, my main concern with my skin is I have texture and I have pores, so I'm hoping the skincare routine will help with that. I guess it is decently moisturized. Not as glowy as I would have liked. I actually have a few samples of their Future Dew. It's like an oil serum kind of thing that I want to try just for that glazed donut look, you know? Okay, and I think that is the end of my Glossier little haul and first impressions. Honestly, all the products were fine. None of them really stood out as life-changing, you know, just on first impressions, but I am interested to see on how they help my skin over time. So if you're interested in seeing my results from using Glossier skincare for like 30 days, go ahead and subscribe and turn on that notification bell so you can get notified whenever it makes its way to the internet. Well, I'm not disappointed in anything, which is good. So I guess that's it for today. All right, you guys, I hope you enjoyed today's video. Let me know in the comments down below if you've tried any of Glossier's skincare and what your favorite products are. And especially if you have dry, sensitive, textured skin, let me know what you recommend, or even products that aren't Glossier. I think that's it for today, and I will see you guys in the next video.